So this is our hotel that no, the Airbnb that we are staying. So this is a completely private property and nobody can access it. So coming from the top, there is jacuzzi up there. I'll show you when we go on the top. So you walk down the steps and this is the living area, and we have like a nice bed here where we could like relax in the night, and 2 chairs, and this is a small dining area, like if you just want to eat some dinner. So, and now coming to the house, guys, this is the small living area with the dining room. That is the wall art, that's the wall painting. So this is the living room, and there is a TV, and this is a small kitchen that we have. So it comes with the coffee machine, comes with some pulses, and we do have a small oven, and then stove, and then also a nice dishwasher. So in terms of amenities, they've given us pretty good amount. So there are a lot of plates, bowls, a lot of glasses, and then we have a fridge and some coffee pots. And now coming to the next area, this is a nice area. It's a Wi-Fi area, and I don't know what is in here. Okay, none of my business. So this is the kids' room where we would probably put our luggages, because you know, so we would try putting our baby here and see if she sleeps. But then it's a nice bunker system. It's pretty good. And once we go out, we have our main master. So this is the master bedroom. It's pretty intimate and cozy, and the AC, thank God. That's the closet. Let's see if they've given us anything. Oh, there is like a locker, an iron. Oh, there is bathrobes. I was wanting one. That's a good thing. So this is our master bedroom, and now coming to the bathroom. This has got a unique color. I love it. There is a nice sink. There is the shower here, which I like the amount of space it has here, so that's good. And now coming to the main part is the view. So let me show you the view. What do you think about the view?
You know?
What do you think about the view?
I liked it. It's really good.
So I will show you the view. So this is the view, guys. It's beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. There is a restaurant down there, right there, and so we have a jacuzzi on the top as well, which I'll show you later. But this is the view, guys, and it's beautiful. We would probably be flying drones here to get a view in the night. So let's see. So this is the top part of the Airbnb, guys, which we might be spending our most time. So here we have the jacuzzi, and this is the view from the property. It is actually poster perfect.